Deel runs payroll differently than anyone else. At its core, payroll is a calculation engine, turning gross pay into net pay by applying taxes, deductions, and local rules. Most providers don't own that engine. They rely on third-party vendors and people in each country to run payroll. That creates disconnected systems, manual coordination, delayed visibility. At Deel, we've built our own from the ground up. A single, unified payroll infrastructure that processes calculations directly, not through third parties. Deel Payroll supports 130 plus countries today, and our native calculation engine is live in more than 60 of those markets, including the US, UK, Canada, Australia, Brazil, Singapore, South Africa, India, Malaysia, and even the UAE, with plans to reach more than 100 by 2027. The moment payroll data is entered, calculations run instantly. Taxes and deductions are applied in real time. Local rules are validated automatically. No third parties. No waiting. No blind spots. Owning the calculation engine changes what's possible during the payroll cycle. Country-specific tax rules are validated as data flows in, checking deductions, withholdings, and statutory requirements before calculations even begin. Need to adjust compensation mid-cycle? Payroll teams see the exact cost impact before approval. Finance gets full visibility into spend changes before payroll closes. HR can modify bonuses and review updated totals immediately, not days later. No waiting on third parties, complete visibility at every step. And because Deel controls the infrastructure end-to-end, AI is embedded throughout. It flags variances early, validates expense submissions against local tax rules at the point of entry, surfaces compliance context during approvals and cycle close. Errors are caught early, compliance is validated automatically. Payroll cycles that once took days to close now close in minutes. And this isn't theory. Deel employs over 7,000 employees across more than 100 countries, all paid through this same platform. Where our native engine is live, we use it. In other markets, we combine our platform with in-country specialists who work for Deel. But the experience stays unified, every pay cycle. We've found the same challenges our customers face. So we built a global payroll engine as a solution for us and for our clients. Most providers coordinate vendors. Deel runs the engine, one calculation infrastructure, 130 plus countries today, 100 plus countries on the Deel engine soon. See how Deel's payroll engine can work for your team.